All right, this is a session recap for the 16th day of January. And this morning we were watching the dollar index. By the way, would everybody agree that this morning's lesson from the charts was pretty strong? Would everybody agree with that? Did we learn a lot? Yes, 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 yes. So for people who come in on the session recap and weren't here today, we would recommend that you go watch this whole video from this morning, because the chart was showing us lots of stuff that it doesn't usually show us. And it was a great lesson. All right. We did get a live trade out of it. We are in one trade, but the main deal is we learned a lot of things that the market does and shows how they prove it today. So if you're a person who only watches the session recap, today's the day you might want to go watch the New York session from start to finish. You can scroll through the very first part, but all right, there we go. Or listen to it at 1.5 or 2 times the speed. All right, dollar going up, as you can see. Now, we are close to a top here. Let me put this top on here, right here. So you can see there's the top, which is the bottom over here. So we're close to this. So that may be all that we get right there. We're going with dollar strength, right? So that means euro to the downside. It already did its ATR to the downside. Nothing for us today. Euro dollar has a 70 pip ATR. Pound dollar, same thing here. Went right down to its ATR target. No problem at all. Pound dollar has a 90 pip ATR. Dollar keeps doing what it's doing. Watch for it to go down 90 pips down in here tonight. All right, over to dollar Swissy. All right, follows the dollar. We're almost to target right now. Target is at 86.18, and we're most likely going to hit that this morning. 80 pip ATR. Dollar yen, right to the pip just now, just finished right here in front of us. And dollar yen has a ATR of 141 pips. There we go. So watch, if the dollar keeps going up, this is where you're looking for 140 pips tonight. Aussie dollar, right? To the pip to its ATR to the downside. All this is confirming that the dollar is indeed doing what it's doing. All right. So Aussie dollar, 62 pip ATR, no problem to get to its ATR. Euro yen, all right. Watching this one. We were going to trade this. We are getting the break now. It has got a target up here. Let me get rid of this. All right. We got a target up there. It may just go on up there, but it's so late in the day, I would be leery of trading it. Target is 160.50 right there, with euro yen having 127 pip ATR. Pound yen, we are in this trade. It's doing very well for us. We're looking at 186.72 up here as the target, and pound yen has an ATR of 167 pips. That'll be a great trade. Nice job, all of you who took it. If it goes, of course. New Zealand dollar to the pip to its ATR. It's really low right now, so you can't even trade it, but it's coming up. Maybe we'll get there. All right, and this move here will help it come up tomorrow because it did its ATR plus. All right, Aussie yen. Aussie yen stuck inside this wedge. We're waiting for a breakout right now with GJ going up, EJ going up. This will most likely break to the upside. So we'll take this target off here. Cancel, remove that to the downside. Now the structure is down, so that's the problem. We went with the structure, and they're now proven, hey, this is most likely over with. So we'll remove this. We'll put slope support across the top, slope resistance, I should say. Just so this last piece is all we need. There we go. Now you see the pennant. The symmetrical triangle, but it's a reversal. All right, so we can put a 1,000 fib on from the swing low to the swing high, back to the swing low. Don't marry anything. All right. You see how quickly I changed that? It's wrong. Get rid of it. All right. That's how quickly you got to do it. No, because if you're on the right side of your brain, your right side says, nah, it's a false brain. It's going down. I know it's going down. I already got it down. It's going down. Why? Because I analyze it. That's junk. All right. Aussie yen, ATR, 81 pip ATR. Find the 5 o'clock candle from yesterday on I'm on a 65 o'clock. Where are you? Oh, way up here. All right, so we put a low in after that. Take the low, we go up for 81 pips, and you'll see we don't have a trade because we don't have 55 pips left, and we only got about 40 pips left. There's the breakout. All right, so if it hooks back down, though, which it might, let's see, this is why we got to do it with entry orders. See how it exploded out of there? Everybody see that? It exploded out. That's why you use entry orders. All right. A big boy has to make that decision. Nobody's going to make the decision inside the triangle. So the guy with the biggest barrier option to the upside, he's the guy who's going to push it. And he does. And it doesn't take much money because down here we were looking at little small candles. So it didn't take much money to push it out. But now, if the follow through comes through, because now they know the direction, they all come to, it'll go. We'll see. Right. All right. So target is up there at 97.39 up there. All right. And let's go to Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. The target's up, but they've got no room up, so just walk away. The target's at 65.50. Don't trade it. You're in the top of a channel, walk away. All right, pound Aussie, it's trying to push up, as you can see. All right, pushing up through. Our target is right here at 92.41. It's about 60 pips away, and you had a break, hook, and a go. And we're trying to push it. Notice that all those orders, remember how this was popping earlier? It's barely popping now, right? So I'm in the trade, so I'm going to watch it. And I am positive, but not much. But if it quits popping, I'm just going to go to break even and get out of it, right? Because it's time of day. It's not going to move until Sydney. I can get back in at Sydney in 4 hours. Target is 62.41. And pound Aussie has an ATR of 130 pips. You're in New Zealand, all right? Structure says we're going down, and they just broke it to the upside. So that's the end of that. Get rid of it. Get rid of everything. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. All right. And get rid of this. All right. So now you see it's a flag pattern for a continuation to the upside. Histograms have made the turn. Okay. So I'll put the channel back on to the upside. See what it looks like? A little lower than that. There we go. Oh, I want that. There we go. There we go. All right. So now we're going up. So get rid of this because it's no longer a rising wedge. Oh, it looked like a rising wedge, wasn't it? Nope, it wasn't. It was still a flag. All right. So breaking above here, we're looking for a target up there. You're in New Zealand, 100 pip ATR. Find the 5 o'clock candle from yesterday, 1600 right there. Wait a minute, right there. We put a low in over here. Grab the low. We're going up for 100 pips. 100 pips. And there we go. And we don't have 55 pips left. So walk away from it. All right, pound New Zealand. Now, oh, by the way, look how this chart, it changed from a down chart that looks so totally different, and now it's an up channel. Look how totally different it looks. That's why you don't marry anything you think it's doing. Wait till it proves it's doing it. All right. So there we go. Over to pound New Zealand. It should be breaking up now. It is. There it is. So there it goes. We can trade this, all right, but we don't have 55 pips, so we'll walk away from it and walk away from pound New Zealand. The target is right here at 0628 with pound New Zealand having an ATR of 118 pips. New Zealand yen, all right. Ooh, baby, come to Papa. All right, now a little late in the day to trade this, but we are getting a telegraph. So watch for this tonight, all right. 91 is the target right now, and Aussie yen has an 81 pip ATR. I'd be leery about trading it now, but I'd sure watch for that tonight. Man, that's a big opportunity right there on New Zealand yen tonight. I wouldn't trade it now. All right, pound Swissy. All right, can't trade Aussie New Swissy or Aussie New Zealand because the ATRs are too low. We're waiting for it to prove what it is. It hadn't proven anything, but it's starting to move up. Histograms are starting to move up. So it may go up. Target is 109.46 up there. There you go. All right.